Well, for my last ever Elvira Maps Infotainment update, it looks like it's the same version as August from the version number in the file on the internet and from what's already on the car. So unless they've updated some code in the software itself and left the maps the same version, but we shall see. I'll update it and see. Hello and welcome to another episode. This morning Kia released what appeared to be a new version of Maps Infotainment. It's dated for the 17th of January 2025, but if you go into the version numbers, all the version numbers seem to be the same. And very few release notes say that it's for earlier versions of head units rather than the one we've got, ours being the Gen 5W. So I don't think this update is worth downloading if you've already got the August updates, unless there's something I'm missing. One thing I did check, I did do a search on Tesla to see if the Tesla chargers had started to appear in the maps. Now, I don't know if I did it after the August update, but if you press nav and then press search on the word Tesla, I'm now seeing all of the Tesla chargers at Hilton Park Services, but they're not open. So that's not much good. So I don't know if they're in there before, if anybody could try it on their existing August maps to see if they can see them. But if they are new, or they've been switched on with this update, does it mean that Tesla's planning to open up more chargers to the Hyundai Group cars like they're doing in America? I really don't know. So, if you've found out anything, please let me know in the comments. But so far, I can find no reason to put this update on your car. Thank you for watching.